Now students, let us revise our next topic, and that is comparing like fractions. Now beta, let us see how can we compare like fractions, and you know very well that which are like fractions. Yes, which are having same denominators, that are called like fractions. Okay, and here you can see 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 9 by 7. These all are having same denominator. So these are like fractions. Okay, and beta, if we compare like fractions, then we have to check numerator. Okay, and the fraction with greater numerator will be greater, and the fraction with smaller numerator will be smaller. So here, if we compare 4 by 5 and 7 by 5, so here we have to check numerator. Okay, and here we can see 4 is smaller than 7, so we can say 4 by 5 is smaller than 7 by 5. Now let us compare 9 by 11 and 8 by 11. These both are like fractions because these both are having same denominator. Okay. So beta, we have to check only numerator, and here we have 9 and here we have 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So 9 by 11 is greater than 8 by 11. Okay, now let us see how can we compare unlike fractions. Students, you know very well that which are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are having different denominators. Okay, 2 by 9, 3 by 10, 4 by 11, 4 by 13. These all are having different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. Okay, now let us compare unlike fractions with the same numerator. If we have two fractions, if we have two unlike fractions with same numerator, then we have to check only denominator. Okay, and the fraction with greater denominator will be smaller. Okay, and the fraction with smaller denominator will be greater. So here you can see 2 by 3 and here 2 by 5, and both are having same numerator. So we need to check only denominator, and here we have 3 and here we have 5, and beta 3 is smaller than 5. So 2 by 3 is greater. 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. And here we have 4 by 9 and 4 by 18. Here also both are having same numerator. So we need to check only denominators. Okay. And here we have 9 and here we have 18. So 4 by 9 is greater than 4 by 18. Here you can see 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. Now let us understand it with an example. Beta, here we have 3 and here we have 5. So suppose we have two groups, and in first group, suppose there are 3 students, and in second group there are 5 students. और अगर हम इन 3 स्टूडेंट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं 2 एप्पल्स, ठीक है, और अगर हम इन 5 स्टूडेंट्स को भी 2 एप्पल्स देते हैं, ठीक है, देन शेयर ऑफ ईच स्टूडेंट्स विल बी ग्रेटर इन दिस ग्रुप देन दिस ग्रुप. ओके, क्योंकि यही एप्पल इस ग्रुप में हम ओनली 3 स्टूडेंट्स को दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, और इस ग्रुप में हम वही 2 एप्पल्स 5 स्टूडेंट्स को दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. Now students, let us see how can we compare unlike fractions with different denominators. Students, to compare unlike fractions with different denominators, first of all we have to change these fractions into like fractions. Okay, and then we have to compare numerators. Let us take one example to understand it. Here we have to compare 7 by 8 and 9 by 10, and these both are unlike fractions with different denominators. Okay, so beta, to compare these, first of all we have to find out the LCM of denominators. Here we have 8 and 10. Okay, so when we find out LCM of 8 and 10, we get 40. So now after this we have to find out equivalent fractions with denominator 40 of these. So now let us write 7 by 8. Okay, here we have to find out equivalent fraction with denominator 40. So how can we get 40 as a denominator? If we multiply this 8 with 5, then we get 40. And if we multiply denominator with 5, okay, then we need to multiply numerator also with 5 to get an equivalent fraction. So here when we multiply 7 with 5, then we get 35 by 40. So 35 by 40 is an equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. Now we have to write 9 by 10 and we have to find out equivalent fraction of 9 by 10 with denominator 40. So here also we need 40 as a denominator. So beta, here you can see here 40 and here 10. How can we get 40 from 10? If we multiply this 10 with 4, 10 4s are 40. Okay, then we get 40. So if we multiply this denominator with 4, then we need to multiply numerator also with 4 to get an equivalent fraction. So when we multiply this 9 with 4, we get 36. So here 36 by 40 is an equivalent fraction of 9 by 10. Here you can see these both are like fractions. Okay, so here beta, you can see 35 by 40 is smaller than 36 by 40. Okay, and you know 35 by 40 is an equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. So here you have to write 7 by 8, and 36 by 40 is an equivalent fraction of 9 by 10. So here we can write 9 by 10. So if 35 by 40 is smaller than 36 by 40, then we can say 7 by 8 is smaller than 9 by 10. Students, let us take one more example. In this we have to compare 5 by 9 and 6 by 11 by cross multiplication. Now beta, let us see how can we compare by cross multiplication method. Here we have two fractions, 5 by 9 and 6 by 11. So according to this rule, we have to multiply numerator of first fraction with denominator of second fraction. Okay, means we have to multiply 5 with 11, and if we multiply 5 with 11, we will get 55, and we have to multiply numerator of second fraction with denominator of first fraction. ठीक है, so here beta 9 multiply 6, or you can write 6 multiply 9. 9 6 are 54. Okay, so here you can see 55 is greater than 54. So 5 by 9 is greater than 6 by 11. So like this you can compare two fractions by cross multiplication method. Students, I hope you all have understood today's all topics. Now you have to solve one more question. Now you have to compare 4 by 9 and 7 by 5 by cross multiplication. Okay, and after videos I will check your questions.